Hello students, hope you all are well. Let us start our next video. Next video, it will be on the basis of valuations of the goodwill, the chapter 3. The chapter 3, this is the second video. First video, I already given the details and I told you in this chapter there are total 4 methods are there to calculate the amount of goodwill. These methods you are having, this chapter you are having the 4 methods. Out of that 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is first one is the simple average method, second one is the weighted average method, third one is the super profit method and fourth one is the capitalization average profit method. The first and second, these two methods already I have given in the first video. Today I want to teach you the third method. This is the third method, how we will calculate the amount of the goodwill by the super profit method. I want to solve with one exercise, practical sums. You follow the questions. But before starting these questions, I want to tell you that I have seen that most of the students, they are following or watching this video and giving the answer what are the questions I am giving to you. But at the same time, some of the students, they are not following that also. It has been observed. Be serious about it. During this lockdown time, some of the students, they are enjoying, but this is not the time for enjoying for you. Don't forget, you are the 12th standard students, you are not like a small student. I have to remind you again and again. So I do not want to waste the time. Let you follow the question number 8, page number 105, chapter 3, 12 accounts, part 1. Once again I want to repeat the question number 8, page number 105, chapter 3, 12 accounts, part 1. Today I will teach you one more sum, next one. After completing this one, let me read the question first. After that, I will tell you what is given, what is not given in these questions. When you will read the questions, that time you will come to know that what are the data you have to collect to complete the sum that you have to remind it. That is, Pushpa and Pratibha and Bhavna are the partners of a partnership firm. They decided to change their profit and loss sharing ratio from 3:2:1 to 1:1:1. Therefore, they decided to make the valuations of the goodwill on the basis of a partnership firm. Profits and others information determine the value of the goodwill on the basis of the 3 years purchase of super profit. This is the questions. When you read the questions, that time you be careful. What are the data you have to collect, that you have to remind it. Still some of the data you have to remember. That is given assets of rupees 6 lakhs, liability of rupees 2,50,000, expected rate of return is 10%. The actual profit for the last 3 years, it is given 2014-15, 15-16, 16-17, 80,000, 70,000 and 90,000. When you read the question, that will keep in mind, the profit is given 80,000, 70,000 and 90,000. So automatically the question may come from your mind, which method you will apply. Because the profit is given fluctuating method. So obviously we will not apply when we will find out the average profit, not by the weighted average profit. Because fluctuating it is given, so simple average profit we have to apply. Keep in mind, this method you are having 6 steps. And this method you are having 5 steps. Super profit method, if it is given, you have to complete total 6 steps. But last one, capitalizing profit, if it is given, you have to complete the 5 steps. So I completed the sum, just I want to explain it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 steps it is there. For the third method, once again I want to tell you, for the third method it is 6 steps and the fourth method it is 5 steps. What is given? First is given, you have to find out the capital employed. Capital employed formula is there, net assets minus net liability. name of the capital assets, it has another name which is called the net assets. You can say this is net assets also, either capital employed or net assets. Suppose capital employed, if it is given directly in the questions, then you are no need to calculate this one. Directly you will write. If it is not given directly, then it will be given the total assets and total liability. Keep in mind, total assets minus total liability, which is called capital employed. Total assets, if it is given in your questions, 6 lakhs. And total liability, it is given 2 lakh 50. 6 lakhs minus 2 lakh 50 is equal to 3 lakh 50. That is your first step. Very easy. The second one, expected rate of return. It is given in the question. Every time it will be given in the questions expected rate of return. No need to find out. It is given in your questions. Expected rate of return is 10%. Second step also is over. Now third step. Third step you have to find out the formula expected profit. Expected profit is equal to, the formula is capital employed into expected rate of return. This formula you have to keep in mind. Or you have to remember the third step. Expected profit is equal to capital employed into expected rate of return. Capital employed already you got 3 lakh 50. And expected rate of return, it is 10%. So 3 lakh 50 multiplied by 10 divided by 100, it comes 35,000. 35,000 is the answer for the third stage, which is called expected profit. Next is coming fourth stage. Already you came to know the fourth step from the step 1, method 1 and method 2. The fourth step, which is most important, how to find out the average profit. Here it is given, profit also is given in the questions. 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 80,000, 70,000, 90,000. Total profit, that is TP, is equal to total profit. You are getting 2 lakh 40, and the average profit is equal to total profit divided by numbers of years, which is coming 240 divided by 3 is equal to 80,000. This is your fourth step. The fifth step is equal to super profit. That is also another formula. So formula from fourth step, formula from fifth step, you have to remember. Super profit is equal to average profit minus expected profit. Average profit already you got, and expected profit also you got from here. That is actually, this is average profit for the fourth step. Average profit is equal to fourth step minus third step. Keep in mind, this is fourth step minus third step. That is 80,000 minus 35,000, which is coming 45,000 is equal to, this is fifth step. And the last step, that is called goodwill. Goodwill, it will be given that years purchase. It is given 3 years purchase. We have to calculate the goodwill on the basis of 3 years purchase on super profit. So whatever the super profit you are getting, then a goodwill will be the super profit into numbers of years purchase. This is numbers of years purchase, which is coming 45,000 into 3 is equal to 1,35,000. This is your answer for the question number 8. Keep in mind, the super profit method, third method. Once again I am telling you, you are having 6 steps. The question will come from this chapter 1 practical sum of 4 marks. That most of the time I have seen that one, it will not come from method 1, it will not come from method 2, it will come from either 3 or 4. And 3, this is third method. Third method, let me do one more sum so that you can understand what is the difference between the previous one and next one. So I think this is clear to all of you. First, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth steps. Capital employed, expected rate of return, expected profit, average profit, super profit and goodwill. Now let me say the next question, question number 9. What is the difference between the question number 8 and question number 9? You will find out the all steps are same. Only here we applied the simple average profit method. There we have to apply the weighted average profit method. I already told you, simple average profit method you will apply only if profit is fluctuating, increasing or decreasing. Weighted average profit method you will apply only if profit is either increasing throughout from first year to the last year or decreasing. Question number 9. Now I want to tell you the question number 9. Question number 9. The page 106. Page number 106. Same thing here only. I do not want to write this all. Only I will write the figure here. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5 and 6. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5 and this is 6. These 6 steps I want to explain it. Here this remaining things what you have to write, that same thing. So once again I am not writing, I am writing only the figure. And let me read the question first, what is given, what is not given. The 9th question number, capital of Meena and Manju's firm is rupees 4 lakh. Capital it is given, that means that is capital employee. Previous question it was given assets and liabilities. Now or directly it is given capital employed, which is we got here 3 lakh 50, but question number 9 it is 4 lakh. No need to calculate it. Expected rate of return it is 10%. 10% expected rate of return it is given. Last 3 years profit it is given 1 lakh 20, 1 lakh 10 and 1 lakh. 1 lakh 20, 1 lakh 10 and 1 lakh. You already came to know the profit gradually it is decreasing. So we will apply the weighted average profit method. Compute the value of the goodwill, the 2 times of the super profit on the basis of weighted average profit. Here the last one we applied multiplied by 3, here we will multiply by 2. So first one, step 1, capital employed. How much? It is given already, the capital employed is 4 lakh. So no need to calculate. Already it is given the 4 lakh. The second one, expected rate of return, also it is given in the question, which is 10%. You will draw the format. I have not drawn the format for question number 9. How I have done the question number 8, like that you will do in question number 9. Here I am not having that much time, for that I have not drawn. Just I want to explain it, you follow that one. Third one, expected profit. Expected profit is equal to capital employed into expected rate of return. Capital employed into expected rate of return, this is the third one. That is how much you are getting capital employed into expected rate of return, which is coming 40,000. This formula every time you have to write in each step. Don't write directly the figure. Don't write directly the amount. The marks will be deducted. How I have done the question number 8 step by step after writing the formula, then also you will do it here. This is third step is over. Now step 4. 4 is called the, you have to find out the average profit. Average profit you have to calculate. Here I am taking the pace from here so that I might get maximum pace. That is here. It is given 1, 2, 3. This is profit. It is given 1 lakh 20, 1 lakh 10 and 1 lakh. This is weight W 1, 2, 3 is equal to 6. Sigma W is equal to 6. This is WP. Malak weighted profit, that is 1 lakh 20, 2 lakh 20 and this is 3 lakh. 1 lakh 20 would be 1, 1 lakh 10 into 2, 1 lakh into 3 is equal to, this comes 6 lakhs 40. And all of you know this one, how we have to find out the weighted average profit method. That average profit, that is average profit is equal to, this is what is this? This is sigma PW or WP जो भी लिखो sigma PW. Now average profit is equal to sigma PW by sigma W is equal to 640 divided by 6. Is not it? 640 divided by 6 is coming. You are getting here 1,06,607. This is your answer for the fourth step. Weighted average profit method. You have to find out the average profit. So I think understand some of you. Fourth step. Now fifth step. Fifth step is equal to what? The super profit is equal to average profit minus expected profit. Average profit how much you got? 1,06,667. And that is how much you got the next previous step? That is 40,000. So fifth step is equal to super profit, which is coming average profit minus expected profit. Average profit minus expected profit. That you are getting 66,667. Now the last one is called goodwill. Goodwill is equal to 66,667 multiplied by numbers of years purchased. Numbers of years purchased, it is given how much? 2. So you have to multiply 2, which is coming 1,33,334. This is your answer. I want to explain it once again. This is question number 8. This is question number 9. Third method, super profit method. 6 steps you have to follow. Here also 6 steps. Here also 6 steps. The difference between these two sum only in this step, that is in fourth step, that is called average profit. This is simple average profit. This is weighted average profit. Remaining all are same. Capital employed, total assets minus total liability, which is having another name net assets. Expected rate of return, it will be given the questions. Expected profit is equal to capital employed into expected rate of return. Keep in mind, whatever this is coming in the first step, the third step will come only 1 zero less. 3,50,000, 35,000. If it is 4 lakh, it is 40,000. Divided by 10. How? Because multiply by 10 divided by 100 means divided by 10. If you cut 1 zero here, if you cut 105 here, so it is coming divided by 10. Divided by 10 means 1 zero less. Fourth step, average profit. Here simple average profit method. This is weighted average profit method we apply. Fifth step, the average profit minus expected profit. That is fourth step minus third step, 45,000. And the goodwill, the last step, everyone of you know, they have to multiply by numbers of years purchase. Here the super profit method 2 sums I have done. Next video I will do you the fourth step, fourth method capitalizations average profit method, that also will follow. And the homework for this one, you have to do the homework. This is question number 8 and 9 we have done, and this is homework I am writing here. It is given in your question, the page 105. Page I am writing here, page 105, question number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 8 and 9 I have done it here. 8 and 9 I have done. 4, 5, 6, 7 so you will do. I think you understood. If till you are having doubt, you can contact with me by WhatsApp. Homework, whatever I am giving, that you will do in your fair book. I told you will write in the fair book. You have to make a fair book, and all the chapter, question number 1 and question number 2 is your compulsory. First you will write, then you will write the all exercise practical sums one by one all. Okay? Thank you. Bye.